Here's an example of a quadratic function that has two translations. I do have on this PDF already the quadratic function graphed out to save us a little bit of time in our notes. All right, so we will have this function f of x, and we want to graph it out. So we first identify who is our quadratic function parent. It's our quadratic, y equals x squared. How we describe the translations, there's two of them. So let's talk about this one first, the minus 1. The minus 1 is outside the function, so it's going to shift it down 1 unit. So vertical translation down 1 unit. So in order for us to go down 1 unit, that's going to affect the y-axis. So in our rule, we are going to subtract 1 from all the y's. So in our chart, y minus 1. All right. The next piece is inside the function, plus 4. That's a horizontal translation. We have to think opposite when it's inside. So it's going to be left 4 on the x-axis. So for our rule to go left 4, we have to subtract 4 from all of our x's, so x minus 4. So in our chart, x minus 4. All right, so I already have the parent graphed out here in blue. Now we're going to go ahead and find the ordered pairs for our function. So in our table in the blue, first thing we're going to do is we're going to subtract 4 from all of them. So negative 2 minus 4 is negative 6. Negative 1 minus 4 is negative 5. 0 minus 4 is negative 4. 1 minus 4 is negative 3. 2 minus 4 is negative 2. All right, now on our y's, we're going to subtract 1 to push our entire function down 1 unit. So 4 minus 1 is 3. 1 minus 1 is 0. 0 minus 1 is negative 1. 1 minus 1 is 0. 4 minus 1 is 3. Now we're going to go ahead and graph these ordered pairs. So first order pair, negative 6, negative 3. So we're going to go left 6 and then up 3. Next order pair, we're going to go left 5 and then up 0. Next order pair, negative 4, 1. So we're going to go left 4 and then down 1. Next order pair, negative 3, 0. So left 3, up 0. Last order pair, negative 2, up 3. All right. So there is our graph of this function for f of x. Now we identify the domain and the range. The domain for all parent function or all functions for the quadratic, the domain is negative infinity to positive infinity, are all real numbers. The range of values, I'm going to go ahead and create a horizontal line here at y equals negative 1. So everything from negative 1 and up is going to be our range of values for y. So the domain, negative infinity to infinity, the range y is greater than or equal to negative 1.